So this is US oil analysis for Thursday, the 8th of March. Now, let's have a look what I'm pricing, where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices up towards our third 63.05. Traded a bit above this level. Let's just see how far above we actually traded here. So above this 63.05, we traded as high as 63.25, 20 or so cents. Nothing to be too concerned about. From which we did see sell side momentum come back into this market, and we did see sell side momentum. We didn't quite get down to the 400 period average or the 61.48 before seeing the buy side momentum return to the market. Now, on the return to the market, we did see price head towards that 62.54 level previously identified, held as resistance, and as we can see, quite a bit of market volatility came into the market of this 62.54, from which we did see quite a bit of sell side momentum come back into the market, heading down towards pretty close, but not close enough to the 60.50 level. Now, from there, we are seeing a bit of a recovery here so far. So if we can post this higher low that it does appear to be forming at the moment, if we can post this higher low, we're looking for price head towards our 61.48. If we don't find resistance, 61.48 bring us down towards our 60.25. We are looking for prices to head up towards the possibly navigating the 400 period moving average of first downward basket, head towards the 200 period moving average, break from which we're looking for price head towards our 62.54. But we are operating in shadow of this very large candles, which possibly suggests that we might see further downside continuation. So if we do post this higher low and we do find resistance 61.48, we are looking for price head down towards our 60.25. A break beyond which we look for price head down towards the 59.31 and 51 and $59 mark here, which are possible to be expected to far in the range. If we do break from there, we're looking all the way down at 58.28. If, however, we don't see the breakdown, despite having the operating shadow of this very large bearish candle, and we do break and hold on to 61.48, we will look for this entire move to be retraced and for price set towards our 62.54, a move beyond which we're looking for price set towards our 63.05. And if we do have sufficient market volatility, 63.50 may come into focus, but we do have to navigate quite a bit of resistance to get up there. So I don't anticipate it coming into focus, but it is important to bear it in mind. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching. Oh, and before I go, yep, so we do have, again, we do seem a bit weak here. It doesn't seem to be, these candles are pretty small in size, not much volume. So they're possibly not being much biased. This might just be a case of some profit taking. So we may see further downside continuation. But we'll see how price develop. We'll see the direction in which volatility returns. But ultimately, possibly looking for a move back downwards, especially towards a support area from which we're possibly looking for buy side momentum to return. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.